Looking for another salad to support your weight loss journey? This viral apple salad is packed with protein and bursting with flavors. Stay tuned to get the recipe. Welcome to my channel. I'm Heather, a 50-year-old woman on a journey to improve my physical, spiritual, and mental health. On this channel, we share simple health tips that we can all incorporate to improve our lives. All right, let's get started on this salad. The ingredients for the apple salad is yogurt, cinnamon, peanut butter, honey, granola, and an apple. Now you want the peanut butter runny. I don't keep my peanut butter in the fridge, so this is already soft. So I'll just add a teaspoon of it. Maybe I'll just add half more teaspoon. And then we mix all of this together. Feel like I'm gonna add a little more granola to it because I want to get that crunch. I try as much as possible to consume organic and healthy foods. So let me give you a closer look on the ingredients that I used. This is natural peanut butter, with the only two ingredients being peanuts and salt. Organic Ceylon cinnamon, low sugar granola, and an organic Fuji apple. All right, let me taste this. This is good. May I encourage you to give it a try. You see that it's a big bowl of the salad me just made. May I try my best to leave some till tomorrow. Anyways, thank you for watching the video to the end, and I'm encouraging you, give the salad a try. You're not gonna be disappointed. See you in the next one. Mm.